Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we did an inside and outside window cleaning with construction debris removal. There was quite a bit of silicone on the glass, as you guys can see, and there was 50 windows total. So I ended up charging the customer $750. 150 of that was for construction debris removal, which I should have charged a little bit more, but it was a good day's work. So looking at my materials cost, my steel wool expense was higher than typical, but still my total was $6.97, so not bad. So the pro tip that I want to give you guys today for anybody who's looking to enter window cleaning or already have a window cleaning business going is whenever you're dealing with silicone, always clean the window as you would regularly, and then after you get done cleaning it, spot remove the silicone areas with your steel wool to save time.